Hello and happy Vlogmas day 12. We are at my dad's really fast. We're gonna have some dinner, well, an early dinner, and head back home. But yeah, so I'm sure I'll insert some clips of us with my dad. Excuse the wind. We have the windows open and this air freshener, but I'll check in with you guys when I get home, I'm assuming. Hi, Dad. What are you doing, babe?
Reading drama.
Drama?
Yeah.
On Facebook? Ooh. Okay, it's so much later. Me and Kyle got these from Dollar Tree. It's lip paps. Mine's Rudolph.
I got Santa.
How are you just gonna interrupt me though? Rudolph. So we're gonna taste test it. It says that the red one is watermelon.
What does it say? Mine's
It says
what flavor?
it said in the corner. Yours is red too. So see right up here. Mine says.
Oh, mine don't say that.
Okay, well let's just try it.
I just got artificial flavor.
It's so cute.
And this is Kyle proof.
That's what I was just thinking. This is what it looks like. You can't really see. It's just a pink one.
Looks like a binky.
Okay, let's be babies. Beep.
Ho ho ho.
It tastes
Weird.
good.
Weird.
It tastes really good though. See you guys in a bit. I didn't record anything else yesterday. So I have my tree in the background for a reason, you'll see. And don't mind rewatching Degrassi. Because life. Okay, I have a Dollar Tree haul of what I got yesterday. So firstly, I got these blemish patches. I mean, listen, I know there's like expensive ones or whatever, but these work really good. Like right here, I mean, it still looks gross, but it's like flat and I'm touching it so it's getting dirty again. But I had like a big pimple and I slept with this on last night and it's pretty much gone. Me and Kyle, well, Kyle needed gloves. We got into a snow fight like 3 weeks ago. I don't even know when there was actually snow in Michigan. And he didn't have gloves. So the whole entire time we were having a snowball fight, he was doing it without gloves on his hands. I have these neon yellow gloves. I call them my emergency gloves. I keep them in my car. Just in case, you know, there's an emergency, they're bright gloves, whatever, I don't know. So at Dollar Tree, they have these ones. These are the men's ones. It just goes from gray to black. And then I found women's ones that are somewhat like it. It's like a dark gray to a black. So we're cute or whatever. Got matching gloves. And then the last thing I got is 2 things of garland. Hold on, let me put it. Okay, you can't fully see, but it's like thinner things of the shiny, and then these bigger ones are like a foil or whatever. That's what I have on my tree. I have 2 9-foot strands, and I personally don't think it's enough, especially because I'm hoping to get a new tree next year. So I just grabbed 2 more since they were there because they didn't have them when I originally went to Dollar Tree to get decorations. Hold on. Which I'm pretty positive I didn't record because it was, you know, November 2nd. But yeah, so I fully didn't end the video last night. We ended up getting out of the truck after we did the taste test thing and came upstairs. And we decided to sit and watch TV just to kind of like end the night relaxing or whatever. So yeah, and then I could have ended it like, but I forgot, if that makes sense. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and end this because I'm in the middle of trying to edit the video, and then I'm gonna start Vlogmas day. What is today? I'm gonna start Vlogmas day 13, but I gotta get 12 up first. I always forget to end these, so I'm gonna end it now. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the little bell thingy after you subscribe. It just notifies you when I upload, so you can see my other days of Vlogmas that I'll be uploading, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Peace out, Girl Scouts.